Are you dreaming of a beautiful spring garden? Well, probably not yet because it's still fall here in the Pacific Northwest, but now's the time to start thinking about the color that will come after winter has finally dissipated. So that means the secret starts now with fall bulbs. Planting them in autumn gives them the cool period they need to develop strong roots. That way, once the soil warms up, they'll be ready to burst into bloom and bring vibrant color after the long winter. In this video, we're going to share our top picks of fall planted bulbs, and there's quite a few. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So what makes the red impression tulip so special? Well, it can perennialize. That means once planted, it can actually come back year after year. This Darwin hybrid tulip is a spring classic, admired for its bold, radiant red blooms. Standing tall on a sturdy stem up to 22 inches, it can withstand unpredictable spring winds and rain. These tulips bloom in mid-spring. Plant them 6 inches deep and 4 inches apart in well-drained soil with full to part sun. They look stunning in garden beds, borders, and large drifts, and their long-lasting blooms make excellent cut flowers for arrangement. Pair them with daffodils for a timeless color contrast. The reason we can't resist the sizzling fire daffodil is because it brings a truly unique look to a traditional daffodil. This eye-catching double daffodil features ruffled, layered petals in a brilliant mix of yellow and fiery orange. Growing up to 16 inches tall, it adds a playful burst of color in mid-spring and is slightly fragrant, making it a lovely choice for bouquets. Like most daffodils, it's naturally resistant to deer and rabbits, making it easy to grow in almost any garden. Plant 6 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart in full to part sun. It thrives in beds, borders, or containers, and when planted in clusters, it creates a fiery, dramatic display. We adore the Gypsy Queen Hyacinth because its fragrance is absolutely stunning, filling the air with a rich, sweet scent that smells like spring itself. This standout hyacinth has soft peach tones that deepen into coral as the flowers mature. Its rich fragrance is a favorite for entryways, patios, or windowsills where the scent can be enjoyed. Blooms appear in mid-spring and reach 8 to 12 inches tall. Plant bulbs 6 inches deep and 6 inches apart with well-drained soil with full to part sun, wearing gloves. Hyacinths are wonderful for pots and containers, making them versatile for small spaces as well as garden beds. For best fragrance effect, group several bulbs together. Loving these beautiful bulb varieties? Make sure to subscribe so you can check out all the stunning bulbs that we have here right at Wildwood Outdoor Living. We're especially fond of crocuses because they are often the very first flower to brave the snow, announcing that spring is on the way. These bright purple blooms grow 4 to 6 inches tall and spread beautifully when naturalized in lawns, borders, or under trees. They're low maintenance, pollinator friendly, and a favorite among early season bees looking for nectar. Plant bulbs 2 inches deep and 2 inches apart in well-drained soil with full to part sun. For a more natural look, scatter the bulbs at random and plant them where they land. Want to bring these beautiful bulbs to your garden? Check out the full selection online and order below. We can't get enough of the Allium Globemaster because it truly steals the show with its giant purple orbs that are just stunning in any garden. This ornamental onion produces giant violet purple globes up to 10 inches wide, each made of hundreds of star-shaped florets. Blooming in late spring to early summer, it bridges the gap between spring bulbs and summer perennials. Reaching up to 36 inches tall, it makes a bold statement in borders and pairs beautifully with peonies, irises, and ornamental grasses. Plant bulbs 6 inches deep and 12 inches apart in full sun. It's deer and rabbit resistant, drought tolerant once established, and a pollinator magnet, attracting bees and butterflies. The dried seed heads remain ornamental, adding texture to any summer or fall garden. We love the Silver Spring Allium because it's both elegant and playful. It looks like tiny little fireworks that are going off. The flowers form smaller globes compared to the Globemaster, but pack just as much charm, especially when planted in clusters. Blooming in late spring, they reach about 24 to 30 inches tall, making them ideal for mixed borders or as accents among perennials. Plant 4 inches deep and 4 inches apart in full sun. Like other alliums, they are deer and rabbit resistant, easy to grow, and are great for cut flowers. The charm of the flor plano lies in its double petals, creating a fuller, more detailed bloom from the single snowdrop. And often, this is the only time it snows here in Victoria. Among the earliest flowers to bloom, sometimes in late winter, snowdrops are symbols of hope and renewal. Growing 6 to 8 inches tall, they thrive in drifts among pathways, woodland gardens, and rock gardens. Really, anywhere you plant them. Plant 4 inches deep and 3 inches apart in well-drained soil with full to part sun. Snowdrops will naturalize beautifully, spreading over time to form large, cheerful clumps that return reliably year after year. And that's the magic of fall bulbs. Plant them now, and by spring, your garden will be bursting with color, fragrance, and life. From tulips to daffodils to hyacinths, each one brings its own unique charm to your garden. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite spring flower bulb that you're thinking about planting this year? Mine is the Globe Master. Tell us in the comments below.